This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Protect yourself with gloves, goggles, and a respirator and work in open air. Remove wheels and detachable components, then mask chrome, bearings, and decals. This prevents damage. Test the remover on a hidden spot so you know how the paint reacts. Once satisfied, apply a thin, even coat with a natural bristle brush. Less is better than more, so the stripper can penetrate. Make sure to follow labeled dwell times. The goal is to lift paint without harming the metal underneath. Once the paint softens and bubbles, start removing it carefully. You use plastic or wooden scrapers to avoid gouging the frame. Metal tools can nick the tubing and cause rust points. If paint remains, reapply a thin coat and repeat. Several light passes beat one aggressive pass. Make sure to work methodically around joints and curved areas where residue hides. Rinse solvent-compatible residue with water or solvent recommended by the product, and dry thoroughly to prevent flash rust between steps. You finish by neutralizing the chemical per the remover instructions, then rinse and dry the frame completely to avoid flash rust. Once dry, sand lightly with 220 to 400 grit to feather edges and create a uniform surface for primer. This also reveals any hidden damage that needs attention. Make sure to prime within 24 hours to prevent oxidation. If stubborn spots refuse to budge, use a low-temperature heat gun briefly or a targeted special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.